My name is Aneti Etuk, and I'm the founder of ThinkCoders. I want you to support something great. I want you to be part of what we're doing. You won't believe that it will take 534 naira alone to teach a child computer programming. And we can't do this alone. That is why we're talking to you. We discovered over a few years that we have been able to partner with schools, teaching them computer programming and organizing tech camp for kids. These programs are yielding positive results, both academically and in terms of IT skills. Now, we want to extend it. What happens to the 80% of children that are from less privileged homes, that attend public schools that cannot pay for such programs like this? That is why we're coming to you today to be part of what we want to do. We want, our goal in ThinkCoders is we want every child everywhere to have the opportunity to learn computer programming. Now, why are we stressing about computer programming? Computer programming is the future. Computer programming teaches children how to think. It teaches them how to look at problems and solve the problems. So even before they become full adults, they learn how to take problems that they may face in future and begin to solve them from now. If you expose them to computer programming, which is how to think, how to solve problems from this early age, you're preparing them to a future where they don't only become consumers of the technologies that we have, but they learn to create solutions to technologies. And how they will do this, or how can we help them to do this, is to set up a program, a training platform, where it reduces the costs of training IT. Now, one thing with IT is the cost of getting the laptops, the cost of getting facilitators, the cost of getting electricity. But you know what? We can't do this alone. On our own ThinkCoders, we have been able to reach some schools, but the number of teenagers that we have, especially the disadvantaged and the poor children, is even greater. And we want to reach this number of children. That is why we are trying to contact you today. We want you to support this project. With just 534 naira, you can train a child computer programming for 1 month. And that is why we're calling on you. We want to, within the next 3 to 9 months, we want to train 1,000 children, especially girls, here in Rivers State, here in Port Harcourt. We want to teach them computer programming. Now, how are we going to achieve this? ThinkCoders will talk to some volunteers, some young people around Port Harcourt. We will teach them IT, we'll teach them programming, so they have the benefit of learning programming. Now, our teaching them is with the intent that they will also teach other children. If we teach one volunteer, and that volunteer is able to teach 20 children, imagine if we teach 50 volunteers, that means 1,000 children. And over time, as we increase, we're spreading the message, more children are getting involved. Now, the greater goal is that by the end of the day, out of these 1,000, at least 50% of them should be girls. At least 50% of them should decide to look at IT as a career option, because IT is the future. We want our children, our teenagers to get involved, to begin to solve problems using computer technology. At the lower part of the video, you see a link of our website. I want you to visit the website. We want you to donate. We want you to subscribe as a volunteer. If you cannot donate, if you cannot volunteer, you can just share the message. Share this video. Make sure your friends get to see it. Make sure a lot of persons get to see it. Thank you very much.